Hello students, and welcome to the next part of our donut game. So, what are we going to do in this part? In this part, we're going to set up multiple donuts. Also, we're going to set up a couple of stones that will reduce our hit points. Okay, so our game should be a little bit harder than that. Then we're going to add a lives variable here, and if we catch a stone instead of a donut, our lives are going to get reduced. Okay, so what shall we do now? We can just duplicate these donuts so that we get 3 of them in total, and all 3 of them are going to drop. Yeah, we can collect all of them. Yeah, that's pretty nice actually. What else should we add here? Okay, first thing we should add now is lives variable, or hit points, or just HP would do. Okay, so this hit points are going to indicate how many hits we can take. Okay, so let us put the hit points to the left corner and the score to the right corner. So now it looks pretty good. Okay, what shall we do next? Actually, we can just duplicate a couple of donuts so that we get 5 donuts, but for this 2 donuts, we're going to get some modifications done. Okay, so what are we going to do? First of all, we go to its costumes, and in the costumes, we're going to choose another one. So we're going to pick a stone. Is there a stone in Scratch? Maybe there is a rock. Yeah, there are rocks actually. Nice. So now we have a rock instead of a donut. So we're going to delete this donut costume. And here, actually, we can delete this and just duplicate this. And let us call it stone 1 and stone 2. Stone 1, this is stone 2, whatever. We can just swap its places. Yeah, now it's okay. So next thing we're going to do is when we're going to touch Mr. Cat, we're going to change our HP by -1. So we're going to get 1 hit point whenever we touch Mr. Cat. So this is pretty easy. Same thing we're going to do with the second stone. Okay. So next thing we're going to do, we need to set some initial amount of lives for our Mr. Cat. So when we start, we're going to set our HP, for example, to 3. Okay. And one more thing is when the flag is clicked, let us set up a losing screen now. So when the flag is clicked, we're going to wait until our lives become 0. So let us take an operator. So we're going to wait until our lives or our HP becomes 0. And then we're going to switch to some other finishing background. Okay. So now what can we do? We can add some background for our finish. So when our game finishes, we can go to this, for example, light background, and we can here indicate how many points we have scored. Okay. So here we can just add some text for our backdrop. Let us add some text with this marker font. So we can say game over. Okay. Now it's pretty much fine too. Well, what should we do now? So whenever we lose all of our lives as Mr. Cat, we're going to change the backdrop to light. Okay. So this is it for this part of our donut game. See you in the next lecture about our game.